Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add an extra member on your Netflix account. Netflix now allows account sharing only within the same household. So to share with someone outside your home, you'll need to add them as an extra member. So open up the Netflix app or website and go to the account settings. Under manage extra members, select add extra member. Then enter your friend's email address and follow the prompts to send them an invitation. And note that this feature is available for standard and premium plans and may include some additional monthly fee. So sharing your Netflix account with friends is still possible, but it now requires you to follow Netflix updated policy. So make sure to obey the rules to avoid any issues. And if you find this helpful, please like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.